We'll guide you through how to stream with Streamlabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Streamlabs website. Download and install Streamlabs Desktop to your computer. Once it's installed, open the application and you'll be prompted to log in. You can log in with your Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook account. Just choose the platform you want to stream on. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you need to set up your scenes and sources. Click on the plus icon in the Scenes panel to create a new scene. Name your scene something easy to remember. Next, go to the Sources panel and click the plus icon to add sources like your webcam, screen capture, or game capture. It's important to arrange these sources in the order you want them to appear on your stream. You can drag them around to reorder. Now, let's configure the settings. Click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear in the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, go to the Stream tab and select the streaming platform you logged in with. Then, go to the Output tab to adjust your streaming quality. For most users, the simple output mode works best, but you can switch to Advanced if you know what you're doing. Make sure your bitrate and encoder settings are optimized for your internet connection. If you're unsure, Streamlabs offers an auto-optimizer tool that can help. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Done to save them. Before you start streaming, do a test run by clicking the Go Live button on the bottom right corner and see how everything looks. If you notice any issues, you can go back and adjust your scenes or settings as needed. When you're ready to broadcast to the world, just hit Go Live again and start engaging with your audience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.